Hi guys, welcome back to my live video. In today's video, I will be talking about the general crypto market and if I think it is safe to start buying our top altcoins for the next bull market. So, like I have been talking about my top seven altcoins in the past few days, and you guys know on my top altcoins, you know the coins I have been holding. And also, we are trying to add more coins to our portfolio and the most bullish crypto narrative and how much gains I think you can make in the next bull market following our crypto portfolio. But like in today's video, the different thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be looking at the general crypto market and when we think it's safe to start buying your favorite altcoins for the next bull market. So Jay, can you share us your screen and tell us when you think it's the best time to start buying our favorite altcoins and be holding till the next bull market?
But yeah, good. Okay, I think generally the market is looking good. The market is looking good, like from the end of Bitcoin. So we see looking at Bitcoin, we see that Bitcoin is currently trading above a very interesting range. So we see here, this is the green square rectangle here is like 28K to 32K, and Bitcoin is trading above this. This is one very strong support level, as we have seen Bitcoin like hits this place as support and resistance over several time frames and for different times in the past. Like it has this point has been like a strong resistance like twice this year, and before then, in some years ago, it was like a support, and now we're trading above this. So we expect Bitcoin like to generally to see like an upward trend, and worst case scenario bounce back to this support level, and the rest is floating. And yeah, sure, it looks good. Currently, there's not been much in the last couple of days. Bitcoin is just consolidating here around 35K. But we'll see. We expect either an upward trend or a downward trend. I mean, slight retracement, but not nothing lower than 32K. And yeah, we expect to see like
Nothing
this
lower than 32K.
yeah, nothing lower than 32K. Like within this 32K, 28K region, it bounces there and it's still like bullish. And we expect to see like
So
this
from
trend. Yeah.
yeah, from 30K or let's say 28K, how far do you think we're not going back on low to like on the 25K? Never, we're not going in
No,
the
no,
next
no,
coming years.
the likelihood is very slim. The likelihood is very slim. Like off from 15K where it last touched down and then made like a double bottom, from which it like broke this 25K mark, and then this 32 28K 32K region, and now we're surfing above this region. I don't see Bitcoin going below this anytime soon, not until it does like times three, times four the current price now. And of course we
So what
expect.
you're trying to Yeah, so what
Yeah.
you're trying to say is like the bull market started after if we say dump to let's say 30K, we should start buying, and how far do you think Bitcoin could go from there?
Bro, look, I mean, the heaviest fall is behind us already. Like the heaviest dump of Bitcoin is relatively behind us already. And currently, what we see now is just Bitcoin building momentum for this bullish market to come like in a year, and every coin is supposed to like follow suit. And right now, like, I mean, I'm holding Bitcoin, and to everybody who's not holding, or maybe who's not, I think it's a good time. Thinking about it, it's still a good time. You can just maybe chill a little bit if you're not yet in, and just chill a bit for Bitcoin to get to like see where it goes in the coming days. But definitely, it doesn't go too low, so it's like a fair trade, right? If it goes too low, it's like 28, 32K. I mean, if this is the lowest it can go, and you're expecting Bitcoin to do like times three or times four, anytime within this range is like it's like a fertile ground to like trade Bitcoin, right? And yeah, maybe in the coming days also we might see Bitcoin touch this red mark. There's a little resistance here that we see on 28 28k, around 28k. But that's it.
28 or 38.
38k rather. So on this 38k mark, there is like a little you see Bitcoin usually there is an interesting activity going on around this 38k. Whenever it gets here, it's like a support or resistance, and so we might expect to see some fluctuations in Bitcoin when it gets to that region. But all in all, it hits that region, bounces back, consolidates a bit between 35k and 38k, and then but generally there's a stronger likelihood of Bitcoin to go bullish from this region. And of course,
Lovely. And
we expect to see this propagated across all other altcoins. So what do you think? Like based on Bitcoin, like the current sentiment, market sentiment, and some of these potential altcoins, where do you think the altcoins are going?
well, if like you said, if you think the bull market is about to start, and I know most people now that getting bullish, and there's a lot of Bitcoin ETF around the corner, even ETH sports ETF. So if we're seeing a bullish momentum soon, well, I think most altcoins will explode. Definitely, this is like 2020 back again. Like this is like 2020 again. Like so, if this has to repeat himself, then most altcoins will be doing around a times 100 and a times 1,000 in the coming years. Like within 16 months, I expect a lot of coins to explode. So if the bear market is over, I think it's one of the safest time to start buying your favorite altcoins. I have been showing our portfolio what we are holding. I think it's around the safest time to start buying. Maybe like you said, if we see a little retrace to around like 30,000, a lot of altcoins will dump like around 20 to 30%. If they dump, I think that will be the biggest opportunity to buy your favorite altcoins very, very cheap. And in the bull markets, people don't understand. Like in the bull markets, altcoin could pump beyond expectation. Like you won't believe it. Like, can you imagine how Solana pumped from let's say $1 to like $200? Our consumer pumped over times 200. So it will be so big, people would not believe it. Like that's what I've been talking about. Ga is currently at $1, and I keep on saying it. In the next bull market, I expect projects like Ga to get to a minimum of $100. Arbitrum is at $1 now. I expect projects like Arbitrum to get to around $50 in the next bull market. Even Ethereum could get to $15,000 in the next bull market. So I think the general crypto market is bullish. You need to start buying those altcoins right now. They look very, very cheap. Very cheap. You need to start buying those altcoins now. So I am investing in those 7 altcoins I have showed now. And in the coming weeks and months, I will be adding more coins to my portfolio.
Yeah, and Gal really looks juicy, bro.
Yeah. Like Gal is actually my biggest holding, and I'm holding some Arbitrum also, but Gal is my biggest holding. And Gal actually released their AI. Let me show my screen. Let me share my screen for you guys to see. So yeah, Gal just released the Gal AI also. Jay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah. So Gav just released that Ga AI just few days ago, and this is very bullish. That is, Ga is not just a social field project again. It's a social field and a crypto AI project. Gal is actually hosting the two most bullish crypto narrative. That is the crypto AI and the crypto social field. And Gal also is the most used crypto project in the world. Like every crypto project is using Gal. So this is super bullish. Like they have their own chat bot also. But this chat bot is just related to is a crypto chat bot. It just answer crypto related question. So I'm super bullish on Gal. I have been buying Gal and I will keep on buying Gal around $1. And I think Gal can get to around $100 in the next bull market. And also 7 hours ago, Gal actually reached up to 1 million followers on Twitter, and there is a free NFT you can mount while using on Gal platform. So there is a link on the Twitter. Just click on the Twitter link, and it will bring you to this page. You will do just very little tax on the platform. Just like Gal's tweet, follow Gal on Twitter, and get some Gal score, and you might be qualified to get this NFT. And if this NFT might be very expensive in the next bull market, and you are getting it for free by just doing simple tasks. Like that's why I like Gal. Like every crypto project use that platform, they do some simple tasks, and you might be qualified to get some airdrop. So I think that's huge in general. That's why I am super bullish on Gal.
Cool, cool. Looks good
So
actually.
definitely these are just the altcoins we are holding. We will try to bring on more videos every day. We're trying to set up our studio. Like all this video we are doing in the past 2 days is just we're getting ready for like a constant live video. We're getting ready for the bull market. I think from next week our studio will be well set. Everything will be working perfectly, and we are ready for the bull market. Like the bull market is starting soon. Like I feel from January, you just need to like hold every coins you're holding. You will be seeing times 1,000, times 10,000 from every coin. So we are ready. Like we're setting our studio. We're ready for the bull market. I believe the next bull market will be the biggest in crypto history. Like you will see Bitcoin around 100,000. You will see Ethereum around 15,000. You will see most of these coins doing very well. The top 100 projects will have a market cap above 2 billion. It will be huge. Like there will be coins like Shiba that starts from 1 million market cap to 10 billion market cap within 2 months. The next bull market is huge. We are getting ready. Like we're setting everything. Our studio will be ready before the end of next week. Our research team is ready. I have been talking to my research team. They need to start finding the top gem. I believe from January, you need to be all in crypto. I'm getting all my money in USD. I'm moving everything to Bitcoin, to Arbitrum. We are getting ready for the bull market. I'm not sure. I think in like maybe around December, we might see a little dump in the market because like in you most crypto traders are actually from US, so they will want to like take some money so they could pay for the tax. So we might see a little dump around next month, but after then I think the bull market will be starting from January. So guys, you need to be ready. This will be the biggest crypto bull market in history. Imagine selling Arbitrum at $50, buying Arbitrum at $1, selling it at $50. Imagine buying Gal at $1, selling above $100. Imagine buying ChangeGPT and change with $1,000 and getting $1 million within 16 to 18 months. So you need to be ready for this bull market. So we are getting prepared. I know the live stream is not very good now, but we are very bullish in crypto market. So we are getting prepared. We're getting ready. That's why we're just doing some testing during these few days. And from next week, everything will be perfect. So, Joey, what do you have to say before we end the live stream?
I mean, given our current state, like given the current state of this gradual transition from this bearish market to the bullish market that is impending, I mean, at some point, it really doesn't matter what coin you hold. I mean, because once it's bull, every coin will like begin to see like
Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
huge pumps and stuff. But especially some of these coins with interesting projects behind them, like the Gal, like you mentioned. Some of these coins they really have like strong potentials to really not just pump but last long in the market. And it makes sense. It makes
Yeah.
sense. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, guys. Basically, this is all we have for you today. I think we might be bringing another video next week. Maybe tomorrow, and from next week we'll start making video constantly. And thank you guys for being watching our video. Joshua, I could see your comments. Thank you for watching our video. All right, guys. Bye, guys.
Yeah, cheers.